Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Hello VWAP indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Hello VWAP indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 87 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 898 indicators, with 375 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 95 of the winning indicators. 35 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. If you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're looking at an advanced testing of the Hello VWAP indicator. You can see the indicator here on screen. I did go in and make a slight adjustment to it, and so the indicator itself comes default on the white setting like this, and so the color of the VWAP line is white, and so since I use a white background, I just switched it to black like this. And so the setup on this is when we get a break to the downside of the VWAP line, that is going to be a signal to go short. Like we get a break right here and a nice push to the downside. When we get a break to the upside of the VWAP line, then that's going to be a signal to go long. You can see we get a break to the upside here and a nice push to the upside. And so in the original testing, this did a 68% win rate with 16 trades in the 1 year's time. So we did keep this on the daily time frame, and we used the standard default take profit and stop. So before we look at the advanced test, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. Even if it doesn't maintain the 60% criteria, please don't give the video a thumbs down. We want to keep YouTube happy, and YouTube likes it when we get thumbs ups on the video. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel and the indicator that we just recently released that is based on that strategy. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now, a thumbnail of the source video. I'll link to it up in the corner and link to it at the end of this video as well, so that way you can click on that video and take a look at it. Like I said, it is a profitable trading strategy, and we just released an all-in-one indicator with lots of cool features that is based on that strategy, and we're constantly testing and tweaking it and making it even better. Another thing that we were recently working on was automating a strategy. We were going to automate this strategy, the strategy that I just mentioned, but it's a little bit too difficult to automate at this point. And so what we did was we have successfully automated a strategy in partnership with Mike from Upright Trading. He is one of our admins on our Discord server. It's a strategy that he has developed, and I took that strategy and spent many hours tweaking it and finding the correct settings for automation and setting up the automation process. It is currently running live now on a demo account, and in the very near future, the next week or so, we'll be picking a handful of patrons to also help in the testing process to work out any bugs before we release it to all of our patrons. So there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our advanced test here. So in the advanced testing, we did 50 trades like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades. And so that's going to drop us down to a 34% win rate. And so that's a pretty significant drop all around. Now, any of you who are regular viewers of the channel probably have heard me talk about before that I'm not a huge fan of using moving averages or VWAP, essentially kind of like a moving average. I'm not a big fan of using these single line type indicators as entries, especially ones that are trying to find an average, because they tend to at some point just kind of get intermingled with price action. And if you are taking a break to the downside or an upside as a signal, then you end up with a lot of this whipsaw action back and forth as it bounces up and down during consolidation. And so it's just always been problematic in the testing, and this one is no different. So it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.